Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I will be showing how I stacked and decorated this wedding cake. If you have been following me from the first day I baked the cake fondant, making of the fondant, covering the cake, I just want to say a big thank you to you. Thank you so much for following me up to this point. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that if I drop any new video you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. In case you have not seen the video on how I covered this cake, is on my description box below. The video on how I made the fondant, how I baked the cake, I'll put all the links on my description below. Feel free to check it out. So this is time to stack the cake. So after this video, I'll be showing you how I made my own stacking board. I designed my own stacking board. I will show you how you can do yours. You don't need to go and buy a stacking board. You can also produce your own stacking board. If you have not liked my video, feel free to click the like button. Give me some thumbs up. Like my video, encourage me. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Feel free to share to your friends and family. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to make your comments. If you have not liked my video, feel free to like this video. Give me some thumbs up, like my video, share to your friends. Feel free to ask questions. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Please don't miss my next video, because I'm going to teach you how you can create or produce your own stacking board. You don't need to go and be looking for stacking board, because sometimes you will not see the exact size you're looking for. So you can also create your own at home. So feel free, make sure you have subscribed so that you can get a lot of my new video coming soon. Thank you so much for enjoying this video with me. You can see our wedding cake is looking so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Progressive Cakes and Nourishment loves you so much. Bye bye.